I enter a lot of different properties, anywhere from personal residential, commercial residential, and or commercial properties. So my job takes me all over and in a lot of different yards in different places. And that's what we're going to talk about today. It's personal safety when entering someone else's property. First thing to remember is they don't know you and you don't know them and you've never been there before. You should start looking for hazards or anything that could possibly be a potential hazard as you're driving up. Again, you can see most of the times three sides of a complex, either a house or an apartment building as you're driving up. Just keep aware, just be looking for things that don't make sense, that maybe shouldn't be there, or that could possibly cause you harm or safety in any way. The next thing is, I personally don't park in people's driveways. I don't like to do it. I believe it makes people nervous. I know it makes me nervous when people park in my driveway. So I usually will park on the street. The exception to that is when you're in rural areas and you got a quarter-mile driveway, you might want to pull up. Just make sure when you do, and getting out of your vehicle, that you're visible, that people can see you, you are wearing a safety vest or a bright high-vis jacket. You want people to know you're there. Again, no surprises. People do not like surprises. The next thing that I'm going to start looking for, as you can see, we're at a residential type apartment building. I'm looking for things like the stumps over here, steps. I'm looking at the doors, the windows, anything that might look out of place, anything that's going to tell me right away, this is not a safe area. Maybe I shouldn't be here. And I'm asking myself what time of day it is. So is it dark? Should I even be walking around here at night or at dusk time hours or early in the morning? Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the resident that I'm here to see or the utility that I am here to see. I am going to find the correct address and inform that person why I'm here. I am going to let them know that I'm just here to check or routine maintenance, and just keep it short and simple. One, that lets the customer know why you're here, and it puts everybody on even playing ground at ease. Then I'm going to go to the utility. In this case, you can see the utility is a gas meter. It is off underneath an upper walkway. I'm going to take my time getting over there. Again, checking for any trip hazards, anything on the ground. And I'm also checking for anything above me at this point because there is an upper walkway. We're going to keep that in mind. When I get to the utility that I'm working on, I keep my tools close to me. I don't want to make many trips, so I take everything I need with me. And again, I'm also trying to stay very visible and very out in the open. And if you do encounter someone, please always be polite and be presentable. Remember that you're representing MP Systems or Pieper Electric, and the people are going to be curious. They're going to want to know why you're there. Just be polite and be friendly. That usually will resolve any situation that you run into. When leaving a property, I always make sure that my mess is cleaned up. I have everything with me, and I will let the customer know I'm on my way out, and I thank them for letting me do the work that needs to be done. And again, as I'm walking across a yard, I'm checking for trip hazards. I'm checking for anything that I might trip over or run into, or any situation that might be dangerous. And then also you're looking for animals, you're looking for dogs, you're looking for actually anything. But that is something that you want to pay attention to. You're always looking, you're always listening, and you're always putting your head on a swivel. Because again, no matter where you're at, the situation can change very quickly and very fast. So always be alert, be attentive, and remember, always be polite. And remember, you always want to go home at the end of the night.